Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we compare products so you don't end up crying over spilled milk, or, in this case, spilled dog hair. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums, and boy, do we have a face-off for you. On the left corner, we have the Roborock Q7 Max Plus. And on the right corner, it's the Shark AI Ultra. Two robots, one mission: to clean your floors so you can binge watch your favorite shows guilt-free. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the price. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus will set you back a whopping $869. Yikes, you could buy a small island for that price. Okay, maybe just a tiny sandbar. Meanwhile, the Shark AI Ultra comes in at a more modest $599. That's a $270 difference. With that extra cash, you could buy yourself a nice dinner or, a lifetime supply of Swiffer pads in case this whole robot thing doesn't work out. Now, let's talk about who sucks more, literally. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus boasts an impressive 4,200 pascals suction power. This thing could probably suck the soul out of your carpet. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra promises incredible suction, but doesn't give us a number. Come on, Shark, don't be shy. Show us your paws. Reviewers have praised the Roborock for its powerful suction, but some find it a bit noisy. Shark's suction is appreciated too, especially for hardwood floors, although it struggles a bit with carpets. Both these robots promise to leave your floors spotless, but they go about it differently. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus cleans with a powerful twin system, vacuuming and mopping simultaneously. It's like the multitasking mom of robot vacuums. Shark AI Ultra, on the other hand, uses Matrix Clean, taking multiple passes over dirt and debris. It's like that one friend who always double-checks if the door is locked. Thorough, but a bit OCD. Reviewers love the Roborock's dual functionality, while Shark users appreciate its thoroughness, especially for persistent messes. Let's talk about how often you'll need to get your hands dirty. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus has a combined dustbin and water tank, but needs emptying every 7 weeks. Not bad, right? But hold your applause, because the Shark AI Ultra has a bagless self-emptying base that holds up to 60 days of dirt. You won't need to buy any disposal bags either. It's like the Marie Kondo of robot vacuums: tidy and efficient. Reviewers appreciate the Roborock's convenience, but love the Shark's extended maintenance intervals even more. Both vacuums are pretty smart, but let's see who's the valedictorian. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus uses PreciSense LiDAR navigation to create 3D maps of your home. It's like having a tiny architect living inside your vacuum. Shark AI Ultra also has 360 degrees LiDAR vision and can be controlled by voice using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Imagine yelling at your vacuum to clean up while you lounge on the couch. Living the dream. Reviewers rave about Roborock's precise mapping and user-friendly app, while Shark's voice control and easy setup are big hits. Overall, reviewers are thrilled with both products, but for different reasons. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus is lauded for its powerful suction, dual cleaning capabilities, and advanced mapping. However, it comes with a higher price tag and some noise issues. On the flip side, the Shark AI Ultra wins hearts with its affordability, thorough cleaning, and low-maintenance design, although it struggles a bit with carpets and lacks some advanced features. So there you have it, folks. Two robotic gladiators, each with their own strengths and quirks. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus is your go-to for powerful suction and dual cleaning, while the Shark AI Ultra offers a budget-friendly, hands-free experience with a self-emptying base. The choice is yours. Drop a comment below on which one you'd pick and why. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep buying smart and stay dust-free. Product links are in the description. Buy smart, buyers. See you in the next video.